We're happy to announce our Geo Pro line of products. It's a water-moving product with a zero perm vapor barrier on the opposite side. The benefit of the new Geo liner is it's easier, faster, and more durable. The ground liner has a black polypropylene fiber and a crisp white 10-layer vapor barrier essentially layered into the fiber. So this is good for wet spots, rough spots, or any crawl space really. It moves a significant amount of water if you get puddling or whatever in a crawl space. It'll move water actually to a drain or a pipe. This new product comes in 12 and 8-foot sizes. The 12-foot is folded. It's much, much easier to handle and more efficient in crawl spaces. The wall liner is going to be a little different. It's a little lighter. It's got the same coating on the front, but we've got a lighter felt with a little more loft to it. So when we go to attach it to a wall, it self-attaches because of the fibers in the back. It doesn't matter whether your wall is brick or stone or block or wet or dry. It really doesn't matter. You apply the bead of adhesive and push this product in. The adhesive will seal into the fiber, and you're also going to be able to put a bead of adhesive at the bottom to keep it from pulling off. It's essentially like nailing it with a small dab of the YCS Magic. This product will separate you from anyone else. You're going to love it because instead of putting a nail every 2 or 3 or 4 feet, you're going to put a bead of adhesive and actually get a seal. Even if you have exterior piers, this will contour around the piers. You do not have to slow down from the work process. Once you hang the wall, you can go right to the floor system. It's a game changer in our business.